Okay, so this is what I use to remove the nail polish, the strips. So I buy one of these containers with a little scrubber inside, so you can scrub the nail. And this happens to be non-acetone. And I also like to use this mineral fusion. It kind of moisturizes the nail. So when I run out of this stuff, I just wash it out, pour this in, and use it. This is also non-acetone. So just take my finger with my nail polish and I scrub. And scrub and scrub and scrub. And as you can see, the top layer is coming off because this had an overlay of polka dots. So the first layer will come off, and then the second layer will come off afterwards. See, as you can see, the second layer is coming off. So I'm going to just scrub the rest. I always have a tissue handy by me, and just rub it, and it's off. Let's clear the focus here. Okay, it's that simple. Just scrub, scrub, scrub. Very easy. I mean, it's, so there, the polka dots came off. And then the Oslo and Ready, which is the mint color, is going to come off. Almost. And I'm going to rub it. There's a little bit more left on. Let me just scrub it. Now, if you used acetone, it would come off even faster. I just don't like using something so harsh on my nails. And that's it. So then I'm just going to take off the rest and put on my new mani.